good to have you here today. I am Karen. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a few simple designs of wax rope jewelry, bracelet and necklace. So simple that you can make your own version right after this video. And as promised, I will be interacting with all of you again. Please tell me how you feel about this video and leave me the most honest comment. I will pick one of you as the winner and get the wax rope bracelets that I'm going to make in this video sent to you free of charge. If you are interested in healing stones and making DIY jewelry, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, I'm going to use a 14 mm tiger's eye bead and a 12 mm clear quartz bead to be a pendant. And this is the wax rope from Korea. It's a bit shiny and it's very strong, but it's not elastic. We thread in the bead. Make any length that you want. Okay, and then that's how we tie this knot. Here we go, and we tie one more. And it's done. I'm going to add a silver bead. Use the string I just cut and then thread in the bead. Like this. You just need to tie a knot like this, and you can put it on your neck. That's the necklace I just made. Use the same way to make the clear quartz necklace. Silver bead and thread into string. It will become this style. It's beautiful. If you think braided knot is difficult for you to make, and you can just thread in the bead and tie whatever knot you know. Make it simple for you. It still looks good, and silver bead or not, it's really up to you. Or you can add a silver pendant right here make it special. I'm going to use the red color wax rope in 2 mm. This is the Lucky Cat pendant I'm going to use in this bracelet. It's made with 925 sterling silver and with 2 Chinese characters at the back and the front. This means 4 blessing, and this one is actually 4 Chinese characters combined in one. 招財進寶, that means it will bring you wealth. I will make it from around 6.5 inches resize to 9 inches resize. So I'm going to use this wrist gauge. Make sure I cut the correct length. Okay, thread in the pendant first, like this. And we cut this 2 string. And we burn here. Be careful when you do it like this because it's still hot. In the same way. Don't forget to leave me a comment if you want to win this bracelet. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.